So let's go over the directions for your reflections PowerPoint. So right here on slide 2, I need to drag the box to the correct part of the coordinate plane. So we need to take all the quadrants and drag them to the correct part, as well as the correct signs for coordinates and drag those to the correct part. Slide 3, it says reflect point A over the x-axis, drag and place the red dot to show the location of coordinate or of the image A. So we do have coordinates for A already. So we have 3 and 2. So I'm going to type 3 and 2 in the box. And then I need to reflect my red dot over the designated coordinate that it is. So in this case it was 3, 2, which is A. And then you could even put a text box for A to show that it is A. You can put a text box right there. Alright, and you would do that for all of those, as well as this page. Now this page, it says reflect triangle ABC over the x-axis, and I did give you some tools here. So you do have the 3 dots that you do need, and you can just press Control-C and Control-V to copy-paste those for as many as you need. Alright, and the same thing for the line, Control-C and Control-V to paste, and then you could start plotting and reflecting your triangle over the x-axis. So for the A, for example, we had 4, 4. So down here, we're going to have 4 and -4. And then I could take my line and start reflecting it. And I'm going to give you a little bit of a hint here. Is to do this, I think it's very important to zoom in. Sorry about that. It's very important to zoom in. So up in the top left, you have your magnifying glass, where you can press that guy. He'll become a little magnifying glass, and you can start to zoom in. And you got to press him off too. So you can put that line a little bit more precise. And when you're dragging the line, remember that this will move the line, but this crosshair, the little thin one, is the one you want to grab to put it right on the crosshair. And another little helpful hint is that if you select a circle, you can cut it with Control X and then paste it back over, and now your circle will be over your line. It makes it look nice and neat like the one above. To zoom back out, you want to go to fit. 100 is a little bit far. Fit is a little bit better. So let's make sure that we're in the right size category. Same thing for this one's actually a little bit different. This one you have to record the coordinates. So for A, for example, I would have had 3 and -2. Alright. Then what I'm also going to have is to put this as a reflection and rotate this, and then you could put it wherever it goes as the reflection. I won't tell you where, obviously. Alright, same thing here. You can write your coordinates for your image, your pre-image, and then write your coordinates for your image. We're going to reflect this right triangle over the x-axis. Alright, now for this one you need to create your image using these coordinates. Again, copy and paste to get your tools down, and you need to create this shape over here in the coordinate plane and then reflect that shape over the x-axis. And you also want to drag an algebraic representation of the reflection into this white box. So whatever algebraic representation you could deduct that it is, you need to drag that algebraic expression into the box right there based on the information above. Same thing for this guy. For this one, you need to reflect the triangle over the line y equals -2. So I did give you all the pieces here for the shapes, and as well as a reflection line that you can put on y equals -2. And for this one, you need to take an arrow and drag it to the representation that is the x-axis or the y-axis. Alright, that is it for the directions. Everybody, do well. Everybody have a great day, and everybody stay safe.